Not all pulse valves are created equal. Manufacturers and end users need a pulse valve that delivers ease of installation with maximum efficiency. One of the primary differentiators when determining pulse valve quality is peak pressure. The more efficient the pulse valve, in terms of air pressure, the more effective the product is overall, reducing costs. Emerson's Asco Series 353 pulse valve provides a higher peak pressure than any other product on the market. With its patented quick mount clamp connection and superior design, you can save up to 60% on installation time versus dresser and threaded options. Extreme conditions can limit a valve's performance, but ours features an extended temperature range from -40 degrees to +140 degrees Celsius. The Asco Series 353 pulse valve solution provides other benefits, including improved valve response time saves on compressed air, higher flow, longer lifespan, quicker, easier mounting and connecting during installation, and higher peak pressure for improved filter cleaning. With multiple connection options, you'll have a broader range of designs to create integrated solutions that better fit your individual needs. End users will appreciate the greater reliability and simplified maintenance, as well as improved bag and filter life. The Asco Series 353 pulse valve design opens, hits peak pressure, and closes faster than the competition. On a dust collector system with 40 pulse valves, a 15% decrease in air consumption is achieved. This newly redesigned product delivers 5-star performance in a variety of conditions. With its wider temperature range, patented quick mount clamp connection, and overall part simplification, the Asco Series 353 pulse valve helps you achieve a more effective bag cleaning while providing energy savings every time.